Hey everyone, welcome back to another video on our channel How to Guide. In today's guide video, I'm going to show you how you can create your Direc TV account. So let's quickly get started. Direc TV is an American multi-channel video programming distributor based in California. Now in the search bar of your web browser, type in directv.com. After you do that, you will be directed to the website of Direc TV. Now to create your account, click on the sign in option. Then a drop down will appear. Now click on account sign in. Next, click on create new account. Next, you can choose between two accounts, either Direc TV stream or Direc TV satellite. Choose whichever one you want. Now you need to enter your phone number or the last 4 digits of your card. But before doing this process, you must firstly create an account for Direc TV stream. The card detail which you're using in that one should be placed in this one. After you enter either of these information, enter your zip code. Then after filling in the information, click on continue. Then in the next step, you'll need to verify your phone number. A code will be sent to your mobile number. Then you'll need to enter that code. Then you will be successfully signed up for Direc TV account. So that was a quick and easy process to create your Direc TV account. I hope you guys found this video to be helpful. If you did, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel by turning on the notifications. That's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.